In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password on Loom. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you through each step to ensure you can do it smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Loom. You can use any search engine you like. Once you type Loom into the search bar, hit Enter. This will bring up a list of search results relevant to Loom. You will see the official website listed among other options. This step is crucial because it allows you to access the official Loom platform, ensuring that you log in securely. Next, click on the correct link that takes you to the official Loom website. It is usually the first result that appears. Look for the URL that reads loom.com. Clicking this link will direct you to the homepage of Loom. This step matters because accessing the official site helps protect your account from phishing attempts. Now, log into your Loom account. You will see fields asking for your email address and password. Enter your credentials carefully and click the Login button. If you've forgotten your password, there is usually a Forgot Password option available. Logging in is essential to verify your identity before making any changes to your account. Once logged in, click on the Loom logo or icon, usually located at the top left corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to your Loom dashboard. Here, you can manage all your videos and settings. This action is important because it centralizes your account management tasks in one location, making it easier to navigate. Next up, click on the Workspace option on the dashboard. This section often displays your projects and team settings. By clicking on it, you are taking a step closer to accessing your account settings. This is relevant because you need to navigate through various sections to find the security settings where you can change your password. After that, click on the Security option in the Workspace menu. This section contains important settings related to the safety of your account. By choosing this, you will be directed to the area where password changes can be made. It's vital to check your security settings regularly, as this helps keep your account secure from unauthorized access. Now, click on Manage under the Atlassian section for single sign-on if applicable. This option may appear if your team uses single sign-on features. Clicking this will guide you to the necessary settings for managing your login credentials. Understanding this step is essential because it helps integrate your account with other platforms securely. Next, click on your profile photo, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Account Settings. This step is crucial as it leads you to the area where you can edit personal information, including your password. Now scroll down to the Security or Password section directly on the page. Here you will enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure to create a strong password that you haven't used before. After typing in your new password, click the Save Changes button. This ensures your new password is set and your account remains protected. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your password on Loom. It's a simple process, but it's essential for maintaining your account's security. Always remember to choose strong passwords and update them regularly to keep your information safe. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.